I'm here with Captain James, who is an RPA trainer and pilot, who's going to show me how to use this Reaper simulator. So let me get in the seat.
All right.
Show me how to man this thing.
So I'm going to take you through an altitude change.
Okay.
So
I'm going to go
and you can see, so in a traditional aircraft, I'd be moving the throttle, pulling the stick back. That's not what we're going to do. We're going to use the autopilot. Okay. So go press autopilot there. It's a touch screen. It's one of the cool things we've got. Hold modes. So same spot. And then altitude hold. And then altitude command. So
altitude command. There we go.
So what you're going to do is just type it in. So let's set it to 24,000.
And then
hit enter. So give it a second. And
so I don't have to. That's just off the computer. You can make it.
Yeah, the computer will do it. And then, like the flight path marker, you can see it's climbing up. It's above the horizon, and that means we're climbing.
Wow.
And that's how you change altitude.
Our target's where?
We're going to use this red container here.
If I want to unleash the missiles.
We don't have any loaded on the aircraft right now, so we won't be doing that.
But you would push this button here?
What we do is press the. We have the. You have to. There's a long checklist we go through to make sure everything's right, and then we'll go through that. We'd get clearance to shoot. Then you press the consent switch over here and the trigger. Yes.
And then over here is where you would be communicating with ground control, essentially through.
It would depend.
Instant message?
In some scenarios, they might talk to us through this text chat. More likely, it would be through the radio. And here in the simulator, it would just be me as the instructor on headset playing the JTAC.
So the sensor operator essentially will listen to my commands?
Yes, it's his job to physically manipulate the camera. It's the student pilot's job to tell him what's needed. And then as they progress through the program, the sensor operator will get better at anticipating what's called for. And then, they can hear everything. They've got access to the same chat, access to the same radio, so they can hear it and lean forward some.